Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Wazalik Ramzi, and we are discussing unit number 3, let's learn KTurtle. So, before we move on for today's lesson, let's revise some of the things we have already discussed in the last lessons. Yes, here we have the recap. Do you remember the pause command? If you want to stop your commands for some time. And do you remember the abort command? Yes, it cancels all your program and commands you're running. Yes, that's correct. And we have editor pane where you type your commands. And yes, here we have some commands with us. FW commands. FW stands for forward command. Remember? Yes, FW stands for forward command. To draw a line forward, we use this command. And here we have the TR command. To change the direction of the head of this turtle towards the right side, we use this turn right TR command. And once you write the commands in your editor pane, you need to press the run button on your toolbar. Then your commands will be carried out, will be executed, and the turtle will execute your commands. So here we have the recap. Now let's move on for today's vocabulary enhancement. Yes, we will be discussing the new word, that is console text box. What's the console text box? Yes, this is a one-line command box on the toolbar area of the KTurtle window. And then we come to the pane. Yes, pane that we have discussed already. Editor pane and inspector pane. So what is the meaning of this word pane? Pane means portion or component in KTurtle. Some of the part, one of the part, which is the editor pane and inspector pane. So that's a component in KTurtle. So pane means any portion. And here we are discussing this KTurtle, so portion in KTurtle. Hope that's clear to you, my children. Now let's move on for the learning outcomes for today. So you people will be learning today about the console text box. We will be discussing that how we save a file in KTurtle, and we will be discussing the KTurtle pen. Yes, that's correct. That's the turtle, actually. That's your pen in KTurtle. So let's move on for today's task. Here we have today's task is a notebook work. Remember, that's a notebook work. Question number 3, choose the correct option. You need to write them on your notebook. So we move on for today's work. Here we have the first option with us. It is used to draw lines on canvas. We have the options with us: triangle, rectangle, square, and the last one, yes, I have highlighted it with another color, white color. Yes, that's the correct option, turtle. So, turtle is used to draw lines on canvas. Now, we move on towards the next part with us, number 2. The pen used to type commands. Which pen is used to type commands? Yes, that's correct. The editor pen is used to type the commands. Here we have the answer. And remember, my children, this is a notebook work. Okay, that's a notebook work. You need to write these options, questions on your notebook. So let's move on to the part 3. The third one is the option used to save commands for the first time. For the first time, if you have written some commands in editor pane, which option you will go for? Yes, that's the A part. Correct answer is save. We will use the save command to save the commands for the first time we have written in KTurtle. So I hope that's clear to you, my children. Now we move on to the next one. Here we have, that's number 4. Yes, number 4 here we have the command used to type one line command and execute it. Yes, if you have one command and you want to carry out, you want to play it, execute it, which option you're going to use, which tool you are going to use. From the toolbar, there is an option of console text box. Yes, that's the B part option. That's called console text box. You can type in it, and next to it you can see the play button. You can use the play button to carry out, to execute your command. So we have the correct answer with us. Now we move on for the last part for today. Yes, here we have number 5th question with us, and that's the main screen of KTurtle. We have discussed it many times before as well, and you want to revise it again and again. Yes, the main screen of KTurtle is divided into dash parts. In how many parts? Yes, you have given me a correct answer. That's great. C part is the correct answer. It is divided into 3 main parts. So remember, it's a notebook work. You need to write these questions in your notebook. Here we have the answer key with us. Yes, the answer key, you need to tally your answers. You have to check your answers, mark them, and don't forget to practice in KTurtle these new commands. And with this, we have come to the end of our today's lesson today. And before we go on, let's summarize that what we have discussed today. Yes, we have discussed the console text box. We have learned that how we can save a file in KTurtle. We have discussed the shape of the KTurtle pen. Yes, that's correct. That's the turtle. So now it's your time for Google Classroom quiz. You need to open the Google Classroom and start finishing your quiz. Best of luck to you for that. And don't forget to practice new commands and make colorful and new drawings in KTurtle. That's all for today, my children. Hope to see you, inshallah, in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz, my children.